In the first speaking task, known as the independent task, your job is to give your opinion on an open-ended question.
Let's have a look at task 1 first of all. Task 1 will be a question that you answer by selecting one position over another. With regard to a given situation, you understand, basically you'll be put into a situation and there'll be a preference that you need to give. Example, do you prefer to prioritize work over friends? Okay. Or maybe you're a workaholic. Or are such relationships more important than a successful vocation? If you're not sure of the word vocation, just pause the video and have a look. It basically means job. Include details and examples in your explanation. There you go, 15 seconds to prepare. You must talk for 45. I'm actually going to show you that you actually have about 25 seconds to prepare. Don't worry, I'll give you that tip shortly.
In the next speaking task, known as an integrated task, your job is to read a short passage about a campus-related topic and then listen to a short, related conversation.
Task 2 will be a question. It involves a campus notice or a newspaper clipping, and it's always a male and female, which is important because you can prepare for your note-taking with this in mind. Okay, the male and female student, usually they have a different opinion on a topic or a situation and they just talk it through. For example, College X has decided to invest in a new facility. You have 45 seconds to read the following notice about the facility. So it's integrated. This simply means you're going to be reading something, listening to something, and then giving, in this case, an oral response. Okay? Now listen to two students as they discuss the notice. So you would have read the notice, you then listen to a conversation, and your job will be, the man opposes the investment in the new facility. Describe the role of the new facility and what reasons he gives for a position. Just as a very simple example, we will look at it with each of these questions. We will be looking at worked examples. You are given 30 seconds to prepare and must talk for 1 minute.
In the third speaking task, also known as an integrated task, your job is to read a short text and then listen to a short, related lecture.
Task 3 involves a sample from a textbook or a term or concept and a related lecture clip, often with a student directly questioning the lecturer. So again, the idea of the test is to put you into a situation that you could easily be involved in the academic environment of the university or just in the social environment sometimes as well. Example, you have 45 seconds to read the following passage about topic X. So it's very specific. You have a clear indication of the main topic, the main subject of both the passage and then the lecture clip. Now listen to part of a lecture on topic X. Very simple, straightforward instructions. You'll hear them as well as read them. The lecturer gives 2 examples of topic X. Explain both as they relate to the original passage. So this will take more practice. Clearly, if you've not been in an academic environment, especially at this level of English, you're going to have to focus a lot. I will give you tips on how to practice, typically through free material on YouTube.
In the final speaking task, also known as an integrated task, because you still listen, write, then speak, your job is to listen to a short lecture clip.
Brief overview of Task 4. Task 4 involves part of a 1 to 2 minute lecture clip without any interaction between the lecturer or the student. So you just listen to part of a lecture and it will give you a specific subject class, for example, biology class, history class, psychology class, etc. Using points and examples from the lecture, explain how, and then there'll be a specific question, some question answered within the lecture. So you're not going to know what that question is, but if you're proactive and you have this mindset that you can make predictions from what you listen to or what you read, there's a very high chance your brain will already have been preparing the answer for this task. Practice, of course, is absolutely vital. In the next part of this lesson, we're going to look at note-taking tips. Note-taking is one of, if not the core skill for TOEFL.
Tell your brain that you are 100% completely and absolutely fascinated by what you are about to read and hear.
Hello again. The YouTube algorithm will offer these free English lessons to more students if you do a little something to help out. Apparently, over half of you forget to like these free videos, probably because you're busy making notes. So pretty please, with sugar on top, hit those like, share, and subscribe buttons. Thank you in advance, and let's help others improve their English skills for free.